Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Now let's tap on view all. That was a misclick, sorry. View all 46 apps, of course 46 in my case, because that's the amount of apps I've got currently installed. And here just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, as it is the option we're looking for. And here your device will simply inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, any permission restrictions. And what's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.